गरीब साध साध सब नेक हैं, आप अपनी ठोरी, जो सतलोक ले जाएंगे वो साधु कोई और।
First, let me tell a little verbally about this sect. Shri Shiv Dayal Ji was from a Khatri family and used to live in Agra. His parents were disciples of Shri Tulsi Sahib of Hathras, and Shiv Dayal Ji also used to listen to the sermons of Tulsi Sahib of Hathras because their home was in Western Pakistan and speech of Shri Guru Granth Sahib was recited there. So he had also been a reader of Guru Granth Sahib. There was a Gurudwara in Agra. Inside that, the Nirmal Sadhus, the Nirmal Panth was that run by the sons of Nanak Sahib Ji. He used to go in that Gurudwara and read the speeches, and there was a saint in that Gurudwara. He also used to receive knowledge from him. From him he learned about Shabad Surat as much that saint knew. Then with some of his own speculation, some knowledge heard from others, he became a self-proclaimed saint. After this, he performed worship for several hours. He used to sit for many days. He did not come out for days. He would go inside, meaning inside a cave, and did forced worship, Hatha Yoga. Such worship has not been told or done by any saint. A cult has emerged from Agra itself, Jai Gurudev in Mathura. They give the same 5 names which are of Kal, which do not provide salvation. And from the same sect, one person, like there was Ram Singh Ji of Juhi village from Haryana, and Tarachand Ji was the disciple of Ram Singh Ji, who established a separate ashram of Radha Swami Panth in the village of Dinod. From Agra, a sect emerged, as I just told you, Shri Jaimal Singh Ji, who became a self-styled saint and established a dera in Beas. Shri Sawan Singh Ji became a disciple of Jaimal Singh Ji. The disciple of Shri Sawan Singh Ji was Shri Balochistani Shah Mastana, whose real name was Shri Khemamal. He was a resident of Balochistan. And one was Kripal Singh Ji. Both these disciples used to consider themselves to be the heirs, used to consider the successor of Shri Sawan Singh Ji. But Shri Sawan Singh Ji did not make any of them his successor. He made Jagat Singh Ji Sardar his successor. So both turned away from there, became Guru Drohi. Shri Khemamal Ji, that is Balochistani Shahmastana Ji, established Dera Sacha Sauda in Sirsa separately, and then Shri Khemamal Singh Ji, means Balochistani Shahmastana Ji, had sudden death due to injection reaction. Now see, how did Shri Khemamal Singh Ji die? This is the book Satguru ke Paramarthi Karishmo ke Vritant, first part. Its collector is Shri Gurmeet Singh Ji of Dera Sacha Sauda Sirsa, who currently is enthroned. The printer is Indrasen Prabandhak, Paramarth Updesh Printing Press, Dera Sacha Sauda, Begu Road, Sirsa, Haryana, India. This is Shri Khemamal Singh Ji, let's look at page 31. Beparwah Ji sat in the car of one follower. They used to call Beparwah Ji, that is Khemamal Ji, by the name. The Emperor Beparwah Ji sat in the car of a follower and went to a doctor's clinic in Paharganj. With him, dear Govind Madan of Sirsa city and 3-4 more disciples accompanied. See below. And there he discussed with the doctor and told him that I am sick. In the meantime, the doctor said, you will need an injection. Then Khemamal Ji said that apply it. Then according to the order of the doctor, Beparwah Ji was given the injection. He laid down on the bench. Who? Khemamal Ji, Balochistani Shah Mastana Beparwah Ji, laid on the bench. He had a reaction from the injection and his feet started burning. He had burning sensation in the feet. He made excuse and shouted the slogan of Dhan Dhan Satguru. That is, on 18th April 1960 at 10:15 am, he left his physical body and got absorbed in the eternal world. Seeing the scene, the doctor started sweating. He wondered what would happen now. The followers of Babaji will ruin him and will get him punished in court by accusing him of murder. Now look, pious souls, a saint dies of injection reaction. Damn to such worship. Earlier, he used to cure the sufferings of others but could not save his life. What is the reason? The battery of this virtuous soul and was charged with his previous birth, but now the battery was discharged. Further, the worship was not correct. He was a disciple of Sawan Singh Ji. Sawan Singh Ji had the same knowledge as Shiv Dayal Ji. What misery happened to Shiv Dayal Ji? Shri Khemamal Singh Ji, that is Balochistani Shah Mastana Ji, did not make anyone successor. The followers chose his successor, Shri Satnam Singh Ji. There was a lot of struggle. Some other used to consider himself to be the heir, but in the end, after many days and mess, Satnam Singh Ji was made the successor of Sirsa, means was enthroned as the manager, and another separately made Jagmal Wali. There also millions are stuck with him. Now understand, pious souls, whoever is trapped wherever, by this you can be familiar with your situation. After that, Shri Kripal Singh Ji, who was the rebel disciple of Sawan Singh Ji, became a self-proclaimed saint and started his own setup in Delhi. One of the disciples of that Kripal Singh Ji became a rebel, Thakur Singh. He did not get the throne of Delhi. It was given to Darshan Singh Ji. So he started a new setup. These naive souls need God. Anyone could mislead them who knows few things in which the name of God comes, because the soul has been searching for God. Since the very day it has separated from Him, it has been at fault.
आप सुन रहे थे जगत गुरु तत्वदर्शी संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के मंगल प्रवचन। अधिक जानकारी के लिए विजिट कीजिए हमारी वेबसाइट www.jagatgururampalji.org। संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के शुभ आशीर्वाद से पूरे विश्व भर में 500 से भी ज्यादा नाम दीक्षा केंद्र हैं, जिन पर संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी द्वारा ऑनलाइन निशुल्क नाम दीक्षा दी जा रही है। अपने नजदीकी नाम दीक्षा केंद्र का पता करने के लिए संपर्क करें 8222880541।